Want to keep your laptop cool and running at top performance? In this video, we're revealing the top 10 best laptop cooling pads on Amazon, perfect for gaming, work, and long computing sessions. From powerful fans to adjustable heights and quiet operation, these cooling pads help prevent overheating and boost performance. Stick around to find the best one for your setup, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart tech picks every week. At number 1 we have COOKLEE RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. Equipped with a 5.5-inch turbofan, this cooling pad delivers rapid cooling with adjustable speeds from 300 to 200 RPM, ensuring optimal heat dissipation for laptops between 15.6 to 19 inches. Enhance your gaming or workspace with 10 vibrant RGB modes, easily controlled with the RGB button. Press and hold the light button for 2 to 3 seconds to turn the RGB lighting on or off. Note, the fan's RGB light cannot be turned off. Featuring 8 adjustable height settings, this cooling pad offers a perfect ergonomic angle, helping reduce back and neck strain for long hours of work or gaming. Enjoy a quiet, distraction-free experience with fan noise levels ranging from 25-70 dB, providing effective cooling without disturbing your work or gaming sessions. Conveniently keep your phone within reach with a phone holder, which can be positioned on either the left or right side of the stand for added functionality. At number 2 we have Zacme V12 Laptop Cooling Pad. Equipped with 14 cm large diameter turbo booster fan, combined sealed foam, ensures perfect cooling effect, 360 degrees all-round dynamic cooling. Your laptop can get cool in seconds even in high-intensity operation, no delay and no screen flickers in game. Setting touch mute button on the bottom can be easily tapped with one finger, instead of moving laptop cooler to press button and leaving your sights from the game screen as well. Long touching twos to turn on/off the laptop cooler. Featuring a visual design, our laptop cooling pad offers real-time display of fan speed and lighting adjustments. With touch-sensitive buttons, you can easily select the desired fan speed, finding the perfect balance between cooling performance and noise levels. With 1 and 3-out USB hub, you can connect keyboards, mouse and other devices, more convenient for you to use. 2 non-slip baffle can prevent your laptop falling down on slanting surface. At number 3 we have Neretva Laptop Cooling Stand. Different from the traditional fan cooler, the Eqtlvfh cooling stand can cool down the temperature courtesy of thermoelectric cooling technology Peltier effect. The cooler consists of a piece of semiconductor panel and 2 quiet fans. The temperature on the semiconductor cooling panel can drop to 47 F in 3 seconds, which can cool down your laptop efficiently. The cooler is detachable, which can be removed in normal use and placed on when your laptop gets hot. The cooler has 4 spring dampers. The bouncy feature enables the cooling panel fitting snugly to the bottom of your laptop. Made of high stability and high durability carbon steel material. Super sturdy without any shake or slide, it can support up to 20 pounds and 15.6 in size on the top. There are rubbers on the bottom of the base and the top of the stand panel, effectively preventing scratches to the tabletop or laptop. A proper sitting posture can help you to reduce your neck/back pain, eye strain, and pressure. At number 4 we have Mount-Up RGB Laptop Cooling Pad. Quickly cool down your laptop with the 4.72-inch fan spinning at 3500 RPM. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, this laptop fan cooling pad prevents overheating, allowing your device to run smoothly without lag or performance drops. Say goodbye to overheating, lag, and performance drops. Our cooling pad for computer laptop works with both standard and gaming laptops, unlike others that cater to only one type. Enjoy seamless cooling for your everyday laptop or high-performance gaming laptop with our unique, patented design. Set the mode with 6 adjustable RGB lighting modes. Whether you're gaming or working late at night, choose from a variety of colors and modes to match your environment and personal style. Bring your workspace or gaming setup to life with this gaming laptop cooling pad for computer laptop. With 3 levels of height adjustment, this laptop cooler ensures ergonomic comfort during long sessions. At number 5 we have Zacme V12 5.5 inches Turbo Cooler Fan. Unlock your laptop's full potential with our powerful 5.5 inches turbo fan, reaching speeds of up to 2800 RPM. The AI-enhanced 360 degrees airflow design has been lab-tested to reduce CPU/GPU temperatures by an impressive 22 degrees Celsius in just 90 seconds. This high-performance cooling solution minimizes noise while preventing overheating during intense gaming sessions or heavy multitasking, ensuring optimal performance when you need it most. Designed for laptops with screen sizes of 15.6 inches and above, the V12 Ultra laptop fan cooling stand is compatible with Asus ROG Strix G16, MSI Katana 15, Alienware M18, perfect for gaming laptops and workstations alike. Work and play comfortably with our ergonomic design featuring 3 adjustable tilt options, 15 degrees, 12 degrees, 3 degrees. Customize your viewing and typing angles to alleviate neck and shoulder strain, making it ideal for long gaming marathons or extended work hours. The sturdy adjustable foot stand ensures stability and promotes better posture, enhancing both comfort and performance. At number 6 we have Razer Laptop Cooling Pad. Razer HyperBoost takes full advantage of the Razer Laptop Cooling Pad's smart cooling capabilities to maximize the performance of compatible blades by improving thermal performance that allows key laptop components to sustain higher power limits. Smart cooling, from idle to full load, keep the laptop running smoothly with our first laptop cooling pad that changes fan speeds automatically to manage system temperatures based on the settings. Airtight pressure chamber, included foam seals ensure no cool air leakage and works in tandem with a long lifespan 140mm brushless fan that spins up to 3000 RPM to significantly reduce CPU, GPU, and surface temperatures. Works with most laptops, whether you've got an ultra-portable 14 inches laptop or an 18 inches powerhouse, choose between 3 magnetic frames that maximize cool air pressure and circulation. At number 7 we have Eqtlfsh GT500 Powerful Turbofan. Industrial-grade turbofan 5000 RPM plus combined sealed foam, creating a powerful cooling effect, and it is 360-degree undifferentiated cooling. No matter where the cooling hole of your laptop is, the same cooling effect can be obtained. The speed adjustment range of the fan is 0 to 5000 RPM, which can meet different cooling needs. It can be adjusted to the best speed for you in office, game, and standby mode. The bottom air intake design completely eliminates the heat backflow problem of the rear exhaust laptops. GT500 V1 with 3-port USB hub, equipped with a dedicated data line, the hub module can work independently, more convenient to use. GT500 is a well-deserved performance monster. It uses industrial-grade turbofans. The higher the speed, the better the cooling effect, and the greater the noise, so its noise can reach 65 decibels at the highest speed. People's normal conversation is about 50 decibels. If you are sensitive to noise, please buy carefully. At number 8 we have Acekool Gaming Laptop Cooling. 8 Super Cooling Fans. The newest 8-core laptop cooling pad can efficiently cool your laptop down. This laptop cooler has the air vent in the top and bottom of the case. You can set different modes for the cooling fans. Ergonomic comfort. The gaming laptop cooling pad provides 6 heights adjustment to choose. You can adjust the suitable angle by your needs to relieve the fatigue of the back and neck effectively. LCD display. The LCD of K10 cooler pad readout shows your current fan speed. Simple and intuitive. You can easily control the RGB lights and fan speed by touching the buttons. 10 RGB light modes. The RGB lights of the cooling laptop pad are pretty and it has many lighting options which can get you cool game atmosphere. At number 9 we have Eqtlvfh Gaming Turbofan Laptop Cooling Pad. Max Airflow Cooling, 72.8 mm H2O airflow pressure, reducing CPU and GPU heat 10 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. The laptop fan cooling pad ensures stable laptop performance. Sleek RGB design, 10 different lighting modes of the gaming laptop cooling pad that can be turned off with a long press for a distraction-free workspace. Comprehensive noise control. Fan speeds of the cooling pad for computer laptop range from 600 RPM to 2800 RPM, with noise levels from less than 30 dB for quiet tasks to 78 dB for gaming. 7 adjustable angles. The laptop cooler cooling pad is ergonomically designed with 7 angle settings, 20 degrees to 40 degrees, to reduce strain on your wrists and neck. 4-in-1 USB hub. The cooling laptop pad has convenient USB hub for powering devices, transferring data, and connecting peripherals without losing connectivity. At number 10 we have Deepki Movable RGB Laptop Cooler. Features a massive 5.5 sliding RGB fan. This laptop fan cooling pad lets you pinpoint and eliminate thermal hotspots by aligning direct airflow with your laptop's CPU and GPU for maximum cooling efficiency. Stop thermal throttling with the ultimate gaming laptop cooling pad. Proven to slash core temperatures by up to 20 degrees Celsius, 36 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring higher FPS, smoother gameplay, and faster rendering times for a clear competitive edge. Light up your battle station. This gaming laptop stand features 8 dynamic RGB modes and 2 rhythm-reactive music effects that sync to your audio, creating an incredibly immersive experience that puts you in the action. Take command with 3 manual speeds or let the smart sensor auto-adjust. The sturdy frame of our laptop cooling stand is built to support all laptops from 14 to 17.3 inches. It's the perfect high-performance MacBook cooling pad or PC laptop cooler for any power user.